The video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site editaweb.com. Editaweb.com is a junk site. It may attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. Editaweb.com tries to make you click on a special allow button in order to make you subscribe to plenty of ads that are displayed as random push notifications. If you mistakenly click on allow, your browser will be hijacked and infected with such multiple advertisements. To deactivate them, access the menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Now you need to remove this malicious site from the list. If you see anything else that is causing such troubles, get rid of it too. Finally, I recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin investigating your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.